Hello, dear Botanicas learners. Greetings of the day. How are you, everybody? I hope everybody is fine. Okay, so today in this video module, we are going to discuss a small topic in our botany subject, that is hybridization. So, this hybridization term already you knew. So, the term is very familiar for you. So, hybridization is related to genetics. So the father of genetics, Mendel, Gregor John Mendel, he has used pea plant for his hybridization experiment, that is monohybridization and dihybridization. 7 pairs of contrast characters in the pea plant, nothing but Physarum sativum. He has been considered. Finally, he has proposed Mendelian laws. 3 types of Mendelian laws: law of dominance, law of independent assortment, and law of segregation. So these 3 laws proposed by Mendel, those all comes under Mendelian laws or laws of genetics. Okay, so here in this genetic, this hybridization term is very essential. So hybridization in the sense crossing over between 2 species is known as hybridization. Crossing over nothing but reproduction. So this hybridization technique is artificial or synthetic or man-made. So your scientists they will perform this hybridization, whether they are plants or animals. So now we are discussing hybridization regarding plants, that is botany. So here crossing over artificially, the pollen grains from one plant to another plant is transferred. The pollination done by humans naturally and artificially. Then it results the fertilization, then formation of fruit. Then in the ovary of the fruit again seeds we will be getting. Those seeds again used for further experiments. So here pea plant used for the experiment. So 2 species. The species may be belongs to the same genus or the same family or the same order or the same class or the same division, so etc. Based upon these all, hybridization categorized into different categories or different types. So what are those briefly once we will go through? Type 1, intravarietal. Type 2, intervarietal. Type 3, intrageneric. Type 4, intergeneric. So there are 4 types of or 4 categories of hybridization techniques we have based upon the interaction between organisms, whether they belongs to species, genus to genus, or else family to family, order to order, class to class, division to division, etc. So first we shall go through intravarietal. So intravarietal hybridization, nothing but in the name itself we could find varietal. In the sense intra, within, inter, between, intra, within. So in exam also, in the question paper, you are familiar of these terms: internal choice, intra choice. So internal choice is slightly differ from intra choice. So here intravarietal in the sense same variety. So when we perform hybridization between same variety of organisms, same variety of animals or plant, that comes under intravarietal hybridization technique. So the best example for Intravarietal hybridization technique is, according to plants, Triticum aestium, గోధుమలు, then Oryza sativa, rice. So this wheat and rice commonly comes under intravarietal or same variety hybridization technique. And second one, intervarietal, inter in the sense between. So what those organisms and what is meant by that between? So intervarietal in the sense two varieties, but the species is the same. The varieties are not same, but the species is same. So such type of hybridization technique comes under intervarietal hybridization technique. It is also called intraspecific. This is intravarietal. Next one intervarietal. This is also called intraspecific. So intraspecific example we could able to see Castinia sativa. So here same as Pisum sativum. So this is a Castinia sativa in the sense a type of pea, botany. So a type of pea variety comes under intervarietal or intraspecific. The third one, intrageneric, genus. Genus name, generic name, species name, specific name. So likewise, intrageneric it is also called intraspecific. So here intrageneric between two species, not same species, between two types of species which are belongs to the same genus. If hybridization process is performed, then that comes under intrageneric hybridization. So same genus but two species. Based upon this hybridization, the result is sweet corn. So the sweet corn comes under, or the sweet corn is produced, created by doing this hybridization, that is intrageneric. And final one, intergeneric. Intergeneric in the sense between two genera, one genus and one more genus. So between these two genus or genera, if the hybridization technique is performed, that comes under intergeneric. In the sense two genera we required. Same family. Family is the same, genera 2. Here genus is the same, species 2. Here varieties are differ, but species is same. Here variety is same, species also same. So in this way, these four categories of or types of hybridization given by the scientists, and these are the examples. The last one, intergeneric example is Vasconcelia papayas. So in our markets, different varieties of papayas we are getting and we are consuming, we are buying. So Vasconcelia papayas also a type of papayas. You knew already these all hybridization methods or the products, the fruits or vegetables or whatever the organisms according to zoology or botany, whichever produced under this hybridization, especially fruits and vegetables, they never get the seeds, fertile seeds, and they will get the big size and shape and quality than the normal one or ordinary or local variety fruits or vegetables. But directly and indirectly, this hybridization technique is reducing, dominating local variety characteristic features and the quality and the performance or the perfectness. So these all are degraded, reduced, dominant by this hybridization. So accordingly, due to consumption of these all hybrid varieties than the local varieties, our human body health is also degrading slowly, decade by decades. We can't do anything, just we have to follow the changes taking place in the nature. So dear Botanicas learners, this is the information regarding types of hybridization In one more video, we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Till then, good luck.